One llanera, guess how much? I don't bake, but kind of want to make puto. May walis sila! Oh my God, look! Because this one is pure foods. We'll see. Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. As you can see, my husband is behind me. We're going to grocery today, and as you know, life update, naka-move na kami sa aming new apartment. And let me show you. So, pupunta kami ngayon ng Seafood City. Well, it's actually malayo, but malayo yung Seafood City dito sa apartment namin, but the husband wants to try their food, and I think matagal na siyang di nakakapunta sa Seafood City. So, samahan niyo kami. Tara! So, we're almost a week sa aming apartment, and so far, so good naman. We're a little bored kasi wala pa yung computer and yung TV namin. But yeah, madaming mga tindahan and shops within the area. Again, we're going to Seafood City today because we're gonna do groceries. Nag-grocery kami sa H-Mart and sa Costco. Pero sa H-Mart kasi hindi kami nakabili ng mga produce, ng mga karne doon kasi medyo mahal siya. Well, Seafood City is not, you know, relatively cheap, but mas madaming Pinoy food options doon. And I'm gonna cook spaghetti this weekend. Titignan namin kung ano yung mga meron doon na pwede namin bilhin. Akala ko magda-diet na kami.
Next week.
Next week daw, sabi ni Kuya Will. This weekend, my sister-in-law and her husband is coming over. It's a surprise birthday / housewarming. Kami-kami lang naman. So, pupunta kami ng Seafood City today. Again, ulit-ulit. Ang grocery list ko ay eggs, pero hesitant ako sa eggs dahil may bird flu outbreak daw. So, we'll see. Titignan ko din kung anong price ng eggs doon. Ground pork or ground beef kasi nga mag-spaghetti ako. Garlic powder, lumpia wrapper kasi mag-Shanghai din ako. Canola oil for frying the Shanghai. Tomato sauce, preferably Filipino tomato sauce for the spaghetti. Cheese, hot dog, sana yung red. Sana may TJ pero feeling ko mahal siya. But I think my husband will say yes sa TJ hot dog kasi he's been craving TJ hot dog ever since. Small repolyo kasi gusto ko sa my nephew Zio, he's turning 1. Gusto ko sanang maggawa nung alam mo yung 90s kids na handaan na may repolyo tapos may hotdog na nakatusok. So yun, gusto kong gumawa nun. Marshmallow. So baka meron silang marshmallow na maliliit lang. Gusto ko yung maliit lang kasi hindi naman ako mahilig sa marshmallow. So yun yung mga bibilhin ko. Ay, barbecue stick pala. I don't know, some snacks for sure yung asawa ko. Bibili siya ng maraming snacks na Filipino snacks. Yeah, we're filling up the car right now and pupunta na kami dun sa Seafood City. I'm so excited! We're here after 30 long minutes kasi may traffic and accident. We're finally here in Seafood City. Wow, look at all this stuff. Oh, may red na hotdog, oh. Excited yarn. Oh, may karyoka. Uy, Sunmik, oh. Tsaka Red Horse. Aba, may pa Red Horse ka pa. Oh, I want this. Ang mahal, $12. Okay. Do I want apple? Yeah, I want apple. Yes. Yan ang current situation ng cart namin. Alak po muna ang inuna. serious. Oh, we need this strainer. $6. This is $6.39. Oh, I need the barbecue sticks. I don't bake, but I kind of wanna make puto, so I'm buying the puto molder. It's $2.49 each, so it's a little expensive. One llanera, guess how much? $2.99 for one llanera. Oh my God. Oh, I can make pulburon. Look at all the hopya. They have Tipas Bakery hopya. So we have pineapple and strawberry.
Lychee.
Lychee? Wala bang melon? Okay, we'll buy this. Meron din sila mga beef bulgogi, garlic pepper, mga marinated porks or beef, meats. Ano ba? Uy! Oh my God, baby! May piatos. Bebang mahal. I miss piatos so much. The piatos, pizza flavor or whichever flavor, the price. Look. $3.39. Instant noodles, Asian instant noodles, Korean, Japanese, Filipino. Meron din silang, I think meron din sila dito Indomie here. Indomie. Look at all these tocino, chicken longanisa. Do they have red hot dogs? Or any beef hot dogs? We need the hot dogs for the spaghetti. What's that? Tingin? Okay. Sweet pork longanisa. Tapos magugulat siya sa price. Kapag magbabayad na kami, he's like, oh, mahal pala nito. Oh, look at all these seasonings. Nasaan? Walang turmeric powder. Bihon? Okay. Ay, akala ko pamana. This is $3.99. Isa lang? Dito tayo nakatingin ng red na hotdog. That's seafood. We can't find, wala sila dito ang TJ hotdog, but the closest red hotdog we can get na Filipino taste, I think, is Magnolia. It's $9, babe. Okay. Di ko na kinuha yung Pure Foods. Kinuha ko na lang tong Martin and Pamana. Yung Magnolia pala. Because this one is Pure Foods. So, we'll see. Meron din silang mga banana chips. Nakapuno.
I'll take you away to where the sun shines so bright, so bright. You can stare at the stars at night. You can tell me anything you like. I'll take you away to where the sun shines so bright, so bright. You can stare at the stars at night. You can tell me anything you like.
Bili na tayo ng karne. That's fine. Thank you. Also get this pork belly, the big one. Yeah, the biggest one. Yeah. $99. Ang gusto. Ako nung turo, no? Putlong. Is putlong turon.
Hindi nila nag-research ng laban.
Kasi sarap. Ay, nasa sasakyan yung ating tubig. You wanna get it? Sarap. Sarap na daing, no? Wow. Medyo maanghang lang, no? Sarap. I told you! Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Paano mo nga inuubusin yan? Sige nga. Lumpia ka dyan. Right. Thank you. Okay. Tapos na kami mag-grocery, in short. So, my husband na addict sa, I don't know kung ano iniisip niya, napakalaka ng halo-halo. Mamaya natin ito kainin.